You took 10 years to build a following, to have a global career. How do we shorten the process? I got good news for you. You can definitely shorten the process. I set up my Facebook page on 19 May 2009. So 2 weeks ago, I was celebrating my 12-year anniversary. And that was also where I got my blue tick, right? But what most of you didn't know is this. After I set up my Facebook page on 19 May 2009, 5 days later, then I posted my first post. It was a video on public speaking. And I only got one pathetic like. So any one of you, if you post a video and you got more than one like, you're already better than Eric Feng. And then subsequently, I posted 2 more videos. And the second video had 1 like, and my third video got 8 likes. Then Brian, you know what happened after that? I stopped posting. 1 year later, I posted again. So embarrassed. 2010, I posted 1 video. And then again, no likes. So I stopped posting for another 1 more year. So my next video was posted in 2011, 2 years later. I posted 5 videos. And then I disappeared for 2 years. And then 2014, I posted 8 videos. 2015, I posted 1 video and I disappeared. And then 2016, I posted 15 videos. That means every month, average 1 video. Do you realize something, Brian? What do you notice?
Yeah, I think it really goes back to being consistent, in
you got your answer.
Online presence.
You got your answer even before I can tell you. Exactly. So I started Facebook really, really early. Yes, yay. Eric's been around for 10 years. But I haven't been very active on social media. I was inactive for at least 6 years. The best year was 2016, where I only posted 15 videos. And then 2017, it just hit me that I needed to buck up. And I posted 156 videos.
Wow.
156 divided by 12, that means like on average
12 videos to 13
I posted
videos
about 12 to 14 videos.
Right.
Every month. But nothing happened in 2017, Brian. Nothing amazing happened.
Yeah.
Something happened in 2018. On 27 February 2018, one of the video I posted went viral. I to myself and I said, I'll never ever let anyone look down on my mother or father. I had 3,200 likes, 255 comments, 1,700 shares, and 1,505,000 views. That was my best video. And then boom, from 20 likes become 3,200 likes. Wow. And that video was what opened me up to the world. When the video went viral, I got Facebook messages from a CEO of an insurance company who wanted me to share that story with his people. And then I had somebody who contacted me on LinkedIn, who is the chief distribution officer of another company, who brought me to the MDRT platform for 3 years. And then someone saw the video on Facebook but contacted me on Instagram and said, Eric, can we invite you to LA for social media disrupt tour? We want you to share your journey. That was it, man. And then after that, I produced 75 videos. And then 2019, which is last year, I produced the most number of videos, 180 videos. That's my journey. There's a story behind it. If there's one thing that I could have done, what would you have done different, right? To shorten that journey. I would have been more consistent right at the first year of Facebook. Yeah. Back then, Facebook was trying to be the #1 social media platform. So anything you put out on social media will do their best to get you the reach. And it took me 8 years before I started getting active on social media. If I have started producing 15 videos at the first year, I would have gotten my breakthrough in 2010. Yeah. I only got my breakthrough in 2018, even though I was on social media much earlier than all of you. But if I had been consistent with my content, not giving up, I would have been a phenomenon in 2010. And that means now I can't imagine what I'll be doing. Consume lots of content that your followers or your target market is already consuming, right? Because no point reinventing the wheel, right? Look at what your followers are already enjoying, get a sense of the type of content they enjoy, get a sense of the style that they enjoy, and then you model after it with your own twist. Case in point. So I noticed that a lot of my followers follow Jay Shetty, right? And Jay Shetty is an amazing guy that I'm like a super big fan right now, right? So he talks a lot about wisdom, right?
Yes.
In going viral. So Jay Shetty has a style of recording a video. His style uses a lot of stock images and stock footage with a motivational story and a powerful message at the back with very beautiful music. Yes. So you know what I decided to do? I've never done videos like that. Most of my videos are talking videos like this, right? Talking head videos. So I did one, and boom, it did very well. The title of the video is Watch This Video If You Feel Underappreciated. And I'll show you the statistics. I had 67,000 views and 840 shares. Wow. Right? Just by modeling after content that my followers are already watching with my own twist. So that's idea number 1, okay? Consume lots of content that your followers are already watching. Now, idea number 2 is I spend a tremendous amount of time with my followers or my community. right? And when I spend time with them, I pay attention to what I just shared with you, which is PPVV. I find out what they're passionate about, I find out what their pain, I find out what their values are, I find out what's the vision, right? What do they aspire, right? I'll find out what's stopping them from doing the things I ask them to do. Right. So in my case, I teach them about brand and creating videos. I want to find out, so I've shared with you everything, but why are you not doing it? Oh, it's because of this. Okay, great. I therefore create a video in response to the reason why you're not doing it.
Yes.
I did a gathering with my KRR stars during Chinese New Year.
Okay.
And I said, guys, what's stopping you guys from taking the next level with whatever I teach? And the biggest problem that came out was inertia in creating content. They understand the whole strategy, the roadmap, everything, but the problem is that fear of rejection or humiliation or whatever it is, right? So that's the reason why this 1 or 2 months, this season, this quarter, I am pushing down their throat content after content that answers questions like, how do you overcome your nervousness in front of camera? Questions like, how do you look confident in 60 seconds? Questions like, 5 templates you can use right now that will help you create sales opportunity with the videos. So where did all this come out? It all came out because I spent time with them. Empathy. Empathy allows you to gives you a lot of clarity, right? And then when I knew what the problem is, I can now create content. So you can't create content sitting at home wondering what content to create. Get out there, and go and talk to the people that you're serving, and I tell you, they'll give you lots and lots and lots of ideas. So for example, just 2 days ago, I did a Facebook Live because I was in a hurry to get the content across. So the Facebook Live was video secrets, video creation secrets. And check out the results, right? Just 2 days only. We have already 17,000 views and 620 comments. And there were so many questions that was asked during the live seminar. I had to now do episode 2, 3, and 4.
That's amazing.
Amazing.
Yeah.
I have now more content to create.
It's a series now.
It's a series now. Yeah. Number 3, document your life on Instagram story. Documenting means just recording interesting things that happen to you as it goes. So every day as you live your life, you have a little detector, a content detector here that says, anytime something makes me laugh, something makes me cry, something makes me go wow, something makes me go angry, I'm gonna take a picture, do a video, and record it and put it on Instagram story. Just do that. No matter how bad it is, just make it a habit because it goes away 24 hours later. But once you put it out 24 hours later, right? Like one of my mentees, she recently got a health scare, right? So she coughed a lot, right? In Singapore, you cough a lot, the doctor is going to send you straight to the infectious disease hospital. And she actually documented her entire journey.
In the hospital?
Yes, and she did it on Instagram story first. But it did so well, she posted it on Facebook, and the post went viral. So you always test your content on Instagram story because it goes away anyway. And it's on the spot. And people do not mind you posting constantly on Instagram story because that's the mindset that people have on Instagram story is they want to swipe, right? They want to know your minute by minute. You don't do that on Facebook, so you don't spam content on Facebook, but you can spam content on Instagram stories.
Right, and you walk the talk because your stories.
I do that all the time, right?
The time.
And then how do I know I got good engagement, right? Through the number of views, through the number of private messages. So case in point, there was one time, I think many months ago, I was having a conversation with a videographer, and obviously he was so horrible at pitching me his deal, right? So I actually did a screenshot of my conversation with him, and I actually wrote my notes, commentaries, saying how he could have improved, and I actually redid his entire text to say that if I were him, this is how I pitched to myself. That one had 1,000 reshares and reposts. So I knew that story worked, right? That story series worked. People ask me, Eric, can you screenshot and save it? Because I want to share with my friends, to the extent that videographers actually heard about it that I do not know about. So what I did was, I realized that content worked, so I recorded a video 2 weeks later, and that video went viral. I had 424,000 views and 1,000 plus comments.
That's incredible.
Right? So you throw content out in the market and the market will tell you what content works.
I trust you found that video helpful and informative. Now, I'll be posting on YouTube a lot more and would love to have you watch those videos every week. So remember to hit the subscribe button below as well as the bell notification. Also, this video would be great for you to watch.